Hello explorers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of the world's most fascinating landmarks, Machu Picchu. Located in the Peruvian Andes, this ancient wonder continues to captivate travelers and historians alike. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future adventures. Now, let's uncover the secrets of Machu Picchu. The history of Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu, often referred to as the lost city of the Incas, was built in the mid-15th century by the Inca Emperor Pachacuti. Perched at an altitude of 7,970 feet, 2,430 meters, Machu Picchu was both a royal estate and a religious center. Despite its significant role in Inca civilization, the site was abandoned in the 16th century during the Spanish conquest. Interestingly, the Spanish never discovered Machu Picchu, and it remained hidden from the outside world for centuries. In 1911, Hiram Bingham, an American explorer, brought the site to international attention. Today, Machu Picchu is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting millions of visitors who marvel at its beauty and historical significance. The architecture and design. Machu Picchu is an architectural masterpiece, showcasing the advanced engineering skills of the Incas. The site is divided into two main areas: the agricultural sector, which consists of terraces used for farming, and the urban sector, which includes temples, plazas, and residential buildings. One of the most notable features is the Temple of the Sun, a semicircular temple that aligns perfectly with the sun during the winter solstice. Another striking structure is the Intihuatana Stone, an intricately carved stone believed to have served as an astronomical observatory. The Incas used a technique called ashlar masonry, where stones fit together without mortar, allowing the structures to withstand earthquakes. In addition to the impressive architecture, Machu Picchu's location adds to its charm. Situated on the edge of a steep mountain, it offers stunning views of the surrounding valley, the Urubamba River, and the lush vegetation of the Peruvian cloud forest. This strategic location made it both an impenetrable fortress and a place of spiritual significance for the Incas. Visiting Machu Picchu today. Machu Picchu is a bucket list destination for many travelers, but it's important to plan ahead to make the most of your visit. Due to its popularity, the Peruvian government limits the number of visitors each day to protect the site. Tickets should be purchased in advance, especially during peak tourist seasons. Machu Picchu is truly a wonder of the world, offering a unique glimpse into the Inca civilization's architectural genius and spiritual connection to nature. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and comment below on your favorite part of Machu Picchu's story. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.